In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download my account on your StandUp Wireless device. First, you will need to go to StandUpWireless.com and hit the menu button at the top of the screen. Then you will scroll down and click My Account. Now you're going to be on the My Account homepage. There you can create a new account. Just click the Get Started Here purple button. Now you will need to set up a login. First, you will need to add your StandUp Wireless cell phone number in the field here. Then hit continue. You will receive a text message on your device with a code that you will enter here next to the SMS bubble. Next, you will enter your date of birth. Next, you will enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Now, you will enter your email address. And finally, you will create a unique password with a minimum of 6 characters. Then hit save. Now you can see your active plans. You can check your minutes. You can top up. This concludes your tutorial on how to set up your My Account on your StandUp Wireless device.